How do I easily highlight the syntax of PHP code in Word? How do I easily write in syntax highlighted PHP code, or any others programming language, in a Word 2009 document?
You can use Notepad++ to accomplish this in 3 ways. Just so you know, Notepad++ is a more advanced version of Notepad, which supports syntax highlighting of different code files out of the box, PHP included. Download and install it, fire it up, and load up your PHP file. You should automatically see it beautifully colored. If not, because the file extension is something other than .php, go to Language in GT, PHP or Language in GT, PNGT, PHP. If you need to change any of the colors, you can easily do so. Just go to Settings in GT, Style or Configurator. From that menu, you can change the various highlighting and font options to suit your needs, although the default usually suffices for most. Then, go to Plugins in GT, and Export. From there, you have 3 options you can consider. Export to RTF. Export to HTML. Copy all formats to clipboard. Start with the last one, copy all formats to clipboard, which will copy the entire file with the highlighted syntax to the clipboard. Once you click it, then open Microsoft Word, and just hit paste. You should see the beautifully syntax highlighted code. If something goes wrong, then you can try one of the other options, export to RTF/HTML, although I've never had a problem with the clipboard method.
Send your code to an online syntax highlighting website. This one, for example, select the language yourself. Autodetect doesn't work very well. There is a list of other online syntax highlighting site here. Copy the highlighted code and paste it into Word. I found this question looking for the same thing for Outlook on Mac OS, but Notepad++ doesn't exist for OS X and I use Sublime Text, which has the advantage of being cross-platform. For this there's a plugin called Sublime Highlight. Assuming you use Sublime Package Control, the steps to install Sublime Highlight are: press CMD-Shift-P. Run Package Control, add channel. Paste the GitHub URL, this URL. Press CMD-Shift-P again, and run Package Control, install package. Install the highlight package, and restart Sublime Text. Then to copy text you can press CMD-Shift-P, and run Sublime Highlight, copy to clipboard as HTML, or RTF. These commands can also be assigned keyboard shortcuts. Note that on Windows or Linux the shortcut key for the command palette is different, but it can be accessed by going to Tools and GT, Command Palette.
You could install the PHP file type into Apache, then copy the output from your browser into Word. In your http conference.
If you want to support the channel,